Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make passport size photo in Canva. So for this you have to go to the Chrome browser by clicking on the start button, then you have to click on the Chrome, then you have to search for the Canva option from here, then you have to click on the create option from here. After that you have to click on the custom size, then here you have to choose the units in millimeter, then you have to choose the 35 by 45 in height, then you have to click on create new design. After that it will take a couple of seconds according to your internet speed, and here you can see you have already uploaded the design. Now if you would like to upload an image, then the first thing you need to do is go to the Google again, then you have to search for the remove bg, then here you will get the first option from here. You have to simply click on it, then it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. Then here you have to click on the upload image, and here you can see we are going to download the we have the image that you would like to change. So for example, I would like to change this image, and here it will see it will take a couple of seconds, and then you have to simply click on download option from here, and then you have to click on the preview option. Then here you can see the video is already downloaded here. Now in the you have to get back to the Canva option, then you have to click on the elements option. You have to click on the three dot option from here, and you have to wait a couple of seconds accordingly. Mainly you have to upload the file that you would like to edit. So for this what you need to do is you need to go to the file option of the Canva, then you have to click on the upload files, then you have to choose the file that you would like to upload. I have already uploaded the file, then you have to simply drag it here, and here you can see you have already placed the file, and you have to just position it accordingly. And then what you need to do is, so once you reposition it, I am going to reposition it again. Then what you need to do is click on the file here in the file option from here. Then you have to click on the settings option from here. Then you have to click on the show margins. Then again, what you need to do is click on the file option again. Then you have to click on the settings option. Then you have to click on the show print blade. Then you have to choose the shape option from here. Then here you have to just simply make sure that the color is set to transparent option from here, and here you can see the transparent option. Then here you have to choose the border style to 0.5 option from here, and here you have to choose this border here from here. After that you have to simply resize it, and I'm going to resize it right it. So we are going to resize it by Control T. You have to just simply resize it according to your specifications. So we are going to resize it like this here, and we are just going to place it like that. So and then what you need to do is, then you have to click on the three dot option from here here in the share. Sorry, you don't have to click on the share, you have to click on the position option from here. Then here you have to click on the middle option, then you have to choose the backward option from here, and here you have to simply just increase the photo size according to your one. That for example I would like to increase it like this. Then the second step, then the step that you would like to use, that you have to go to the option of file again, then you have to click on the settings option and make sure that you have unselect the show margins. Then again you have to click on the file option, then you have to click on the settings, then you have to choose the unchoose the show print bleed option from here. And now what you need to do is click on the background option from here, and if you would like to make it off-white, then you have to click on the add new color, then you have to type in F5 F5 F5, and after that you have to just simply press it. And now here you can see that we have already got the passport size photo option, passport size photo from here, and you can just simply resize it according to your want. So for example I would like to resize it now, and now you have to just simply click on share option, and then you can simply download the picture easily. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.